This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. It's time to start living the downtown Norfolk lifestyle. This is a top-floor unit in the historic Baxter's building with gorgeous views of the lights, restaurants, and fun along Granby Street. This loft-style penthouse has an open floor plan concept, primary bedroom with 2 closets and full bath, large floor-to-ceiling windows, beautiful hardwood floors throughout, fully upgraded kitchen with granite counters, and freshly painted interior. HVAC recently replaced, single-gated parking space conveys with unit. Within a few minutes to local restaurants, nightlife, shopping, and area bases. Spacious versatile floor plan, secure entry and elevator. For more information, review the details below.